Think about your company or customer data. Where is it currently stored? Some of your data may already be stored in the cloud. But for most large organizations, a vast amount of data is still stored on premises or buried on individual computers. When you consider the value of your data, storing data on premises in silos is like storing your money in a mattress. And if there's data somewhere in your organization that isn't being tracked, it's vulnerable to user attacks and it's unproductive. To get the most value from your data, you need to know what you have, find it easily, and be able to use it while keeping it secure from external threats. This means that how data is stored and processed is critical to business success. If you're storing your data on premises, you'll need to start thinking about taking some or all of it to the bank. Or in other words, to the cloud. It'll provide a greater return on investment. How? I'll explain. When you store your data on premises, you're responsible for the IT infrastructure that supports the collection, security, and processing of that data. You're also responsible for maintaining and expanding the capacity of your IT infrastructure. This can be expensive and time-consuming. It's also difficult to scale quickly. If you have limited storage space, then you risk missing opportunities to gain insights with new data. You also risk downtime. Imagine that you launch a mobile app and don't accurately predict demand. A lot more people download and use it than you expect. Your infrastructure isn't set up to absorb that much data that fast. As a result, the app freezes or crashes, resulting in dissatisfied users. With cloud, you can rent space from public cloud providers like Google Cloud. This means that your data storage and compute powers are elastic. It can scale up or down as the data you take increases or decreases. Think about our money analogy. Unlike your mattress, no matter how much your money grows, the bank can hold it. Another way that migrating data to the cloud provides a better return on investment is the speed at which you can ingest and use data. In particular, the speed at which diverse formats of data can be analyzed and used. Let me explain. In an earlier module, we discussed how data analysis was traditionally retrospective. Business analysts would gather data from the past 6 months and run analytics to provide insight into what happened during those 6 months. The analysis could take a few days, maybe even a few weeks. Now businesses can ingest data in real time. For example, a business can use cloud technology to track customer behavior on its website. Each click, scroll, and back-click is a data point. Think about the millions of users viewing a website across the globe at any given time. That's a lot of data. But website clicks are only one kind of data. With the right cloud tools, businesses can unlock even more value with data. Now a business can combine user clicks with other data to understand user intent. For example, if a user makes regular purchases from your online store, one data point, and provides a 5-star rating a few days following each purchase, another data point, then those data points can be combined to determine intent. The way you store this data provides the foundation for how you use it. In the upcoming videos, I'll define database and data warehouse as the two main storage formats for structured and semi-structured data. Then I'll explain how businesses typically use them and offer some Google Cloud data storage solutions.